I feel really inferior. The last two guys on stage have such longer hair. I would not know more than that. So anyway, my name is Pandan. It's a strange name to pronounce. I know it's a very fancy name for a new era Gujju guy. Like recently I met someone called Shayu. And I was like, oh, that's an even fancier name. He said, yeah, तुम्हारा भी नाम fancy है. I said, तुम्हारा भी नाम fancy है. And he was like, surname क्या है? I said, Patel. तेरा Patel. So there's no escaping the fact that you are a Patel. I mean, you can't help it. I mean, Gujjus have moved on since like from Bachu Bhai and Dayalal. But you just can't change your surname. I'm sorry, I'm going to read off a piece of paper. मुझे engineering exams देने की बहुत आदत है. So I don't actually मैं पढ़ के नहीं जाता हूँ कभी. No, actually the thing is I always wanted to have Oh, I couldn't hear you, but I'm just gonna nod along. So, actually, every time I watch a movie, I'm like, हाँ मुझे कोई ये super power शायद मिल जाए. Unfortunately, I got the Gajni super power. So मुझे याद नहीं रहता मुझे पढ़ के बोलना पड़ता. Anyway, so the Gujjus are the most uncool people. I mean, the language itself is so uncool. You can never have anything cool in Gujju. Like you can have Frozen with a Let It Go in English. You can't have Therelu with a Java Do. You can't have a Gujarati rapper called Athana. I recently entered this entire comedy scenario, so I was told to say things that people can relate to. So I'm just gonna say, Devra Fabra Mukhya. Those are the only things people can actually relate to over here. I mean, like, in the south, people can relate to idlis, and in Calcutta, maybe people can relate to machi bhat, and in Delhi, people can relate to raping people. But Gujjus, think about Gujjus, this is their month, December. I mean, all the Gujarati relatives, 90% of whom are staying not in India, would be coming back. And what people over here do is, they would ask for stuff from them. Say like, Toronto wali masi se kuch alag mang. Let's say start from California. Let's start from the south. California wale chachi se mangayenge iPhone. New York wale chacha se mangayenge PlayStation. And Toronto wali mausi se maybe a sweatshirt or something. Because utni औकात होती है उनकी तो वो भी US में रहेगा. See, like Canada is different from the United States. Like, what Canada is to the United States, Patanjali is to Maggie. Cheese same है, but मजा नहीं है यार इसमें. Anyway, and then there's actually a hierarchy, like US, UK, Canada. The first Gujju would do is they would try to apply for a visa to the United States. वो नहीं मिला तो यूके का वीजा अप्लाई करेंगे, वो नहीं मिला तो कनाडा के वीजा के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे. एंड इफ यू डोंट गेट एनी ऑफ दोस, यू आर अ डिसग्रेस टू द गुजराती कम्युनिटी. The worst part about such things is that there are people who would come back in December and then they would have family get-togethers. And what would happen is like सब एक दूसरे को पूछ रहे होंगे, हाँ आप कहाँ से हो? And you would be like, हाँ टेक्सास, आप हाँ फिलाडेल्फिया, आप हाँ न्यू जर्सी. And you would stand in the back of the room because you don't want to say Vastrapur. That's such a disgrace. I mean, and they are very pretentious people, those NRIs. They would be like, oh, आपकी वहाँ पे cars कितनी small होती है, the fake American accent. Oh, look, there's a cow on the road. I mean, come on, खाने से तो ban कर दिया यार, अभी road से भी ban करोगे. The thing about the beef ban is that अभी वो मिलता नहीं. So like I asked a Muslim friend of mine. He was like, हाँ beef नहीं मिलता है, but हम भैंस का वो खा के चला लेते हैं. I said, is the meat really that good? He said, नहीं. And that sentence actually corroborated the ideology of Indians that anything black is inferior. It took the court several months to find out that Shiny Ahuja was actually guilty. वो गोरा था. Had it been someone like Nawazuddin, एक तो बेचारा काला है, उसमें भी मुस्लिम है. Like you can't help it. I mean क्या उसको अंदर जाना ही है. But these guys have started protesting. Like a Muslim friend of mine, what he does is he conducts social experiments. He goes to random places. What he would do is he would dress up and say दाढ़ी वाड़ी जो है ब्रांडन जैसे. So what you would do is you would just throw things that would look like bombs at public places, and you would just say Allahu Akbar, and he would record videos of those people running away and then label them as racist. Those who do not run away are no longer racist. And the protest. Sorry. They went to this ordering thing. And you must be hungry. Are you a Guju?
No.
You are not a Guju. Where are you from?
Rajasthan.
From Rajasthan. Really sorry, dude. The thing.
Why the fuck? Why
Okay. See, over here, what people do is, it's a free show. So people are not compelled to laugh. And yet they laugh at this. So there must be something, right? लोग generally पैसा देके आते हैं ना. तो क्या they feel that they have to convince themselves कि नहीं पैसा दिया है, worth करना है. So I have to laugh. But people actually did laugh at this Rajasthani thing. It must be true. Like introspect. Alright. What I was saying about a protest. A guy is flashing me. I mean, not in the literal sense. The thing is, the protests actually have gone really far. Now, like, अभी कोई भी चीज़ का बात करता है तो that Muslim thing was actually still relevant. But like terrorism होता है तो anti-terrorism के लिए protest करते हैं. And then there's like corruption के against anti-terrorism. I would actually not be surprised if one day there are people standing outside the Hard Rock Cafe, demanding a cafe named after Dwayne Johnson's flaccid penis. What Nilash was saying was actually true. You have to judge the intelligence of people. Not everyone gets all that. Anyway, there's actually a difference between a good joke and a bad joke. I'll tell you what. A good joke is something you don't actually get very easily. You don't anticipate the punchline. A bad joke generally goes by the name of Rahul Gandhi. These are the easiest jokes to make anyway. What Rahul Gandhi mean? कुछ नहीं आता ना तो they make Rahul Gandhi jokes. Modi jokes, Rahul Gandhi jokes. They always tend to work. And the worst are fart jokes. Those are considered as a cheap trick in this industry. Like if you make fart jokes, that's bad. So I meant shit jokes. Apparently they have more substance. I'm sorry, I have to. I was told that I might, I might not get 5 minutes or something, and I was afraid I might not last for that long. And my girlfriend says it's only 2 minutes. Anyway, that's all from my side. Thank you.